It's the way of my touch screen, isn't it? It's affecting my touch screen. It's like it's touching the buttons and not touching the stuff like that. And yeah, so I can't close it now without it being maybe touching it like. So I have a new case anyway, but yeah, I know. So I can't force it, and in my pocket when I'm listening to music.
It doesn't even come out how it is there. Look, it's just like flashing. I just need to cover
Can
that.
I say hello?
Yeah.
Hi. Can I pick up your voice?
Yes.
Well, hello. That's a cool one.
It doesn't even come through like that on the camera.
You can't see on the camera, but in real life, it actually looks really awesome, guys. So,
Oh.
oh no!
Oh, that was lovely.
I'm trying not to drop my phone now. Ooh. It's hard to see now. It's because that it's like underneath, we're underneath it. So when I went like that, it just had that above. And cover that. Alright. And it's no sound.
And that's it, is it? Oh, do you want to...
What happened?
She's got a spinny one, but she doesn't know where to put it. I hope it's on somewhere.
And let me go back a bit.
Okay. And let's go back a bit.
Is this one?
Last one now. We want to sprinklers because it's coming down heavy.
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll do it another night when it's nice and dry, and we'll come over and do some sparklers together, right?
Okay.
Just checking there's no water in my phone. What's a wheel one?
A wheel it spins round, it does. It's all fireworks right now.
Oh.